Hi guys, welcome to another Firmware Collections booster box break. We are on round 6 of Zenkai series, Dawn of the Z Legends. Box number 6 guys, no SCR, no GDR, nothing. Just a few SPRs and just a bit of disappointment. So let's go. This box is part of the second set that we bought, all from the same place, so hopefully this all came from the same case, and that increases our chances of getting an SCR or even a God Rare. So this is a box that a good friend Mins has selected for me to open, so we're going to go there. So guys, before we do begin, please do help support the channel, like, share, subscribe, put the notifications on, leave some comments, get involved in some of the chat, let us know what you think about the Zenkai series, and then we can start doing some free giveaways and some more fun stuff. Also don't forget to check us out, FirmwareCollections.com, to see some of our cool stuff on the website. So guys, without further ado, let's do it. Box number 6. So we start with the SR. I have a feeling this is going to be a painful chase. It seems like it's going to be a painful chase. So guys, forgive me, I'm still a little bit under the weather, but we want to get this content out to you guys, so we're going to do it. We're going to do it. Okay, here we go. I say this all the time, but I got that good feeling again. I got that good feeling again. Let me just adjust this here, guys, a little bit. This has now got to have at least a GDR, sorry, a SCR in it, at least. Show me some SCR. Show me some SCR love. Here we go. Grand Kai, Overshed, Bulma, East Kai, Son Goku, Dark Broly, Demon God is Born, Tambourine, Saiyan's Willpower, Bargos, Son Goten, and Piccolo Guardian of Earth SR. Nice SR there. Okay, this is the one, guys. This is the one. No more messing about. If we can pull the GDR, I'll stop opening boxes. We'll start selling packs. I can't start selling packs, guys, until I've pulled the GDR. I can't do it. I just can't do it. It's become a problem now. Son Goku, Shugesh, Bakuan, Yurin, Reaper's Cunning, Son Goten, minus energy, Cooler, Calculating Warrior, and then a regular rare. It's definitely in this box and the SCR. It's just a matter of which pack. I don't know which pack it's going to be. But it's here, guys. It is here. I am done pulling SPRs and no SCRs. Frieza, Vegeta, Son Goku, Goten, the Dragon Balls, Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta, help from the past, and a regular rare. A regular rare. Yamcha, Great Ape, Dark King, Super Saiyan 4, Great Ape Fasha, East Kai, Son Goku, Genesis Craft, Bardock Crew Leader, West Kai, here we go, West Kai, and then an SR, just try and read this for a second, guys. Demon God Shroom and Demon God Salsa, an Eating Nightmare. Quite nice as well. It's a nice SR, but it's not the one we want. Ideally, I would like the Vegeta SCR. But I mean, I wouldn't mind the Goku. Here we go. Piccolo, Shugish, Urine, Tora, West Kai, Master Roshi's training. I see the sparkle. Oshana Shenron, I see the sparkle. Bogus, Angel Halo, all I can see is sparkle. Ah, it's probably this one that I saw. Great Ape Tora. Yep, that is what I saw. You're teasing me with that sparkle, man. What are you doing to it, bro? Here we go. Yamcha, Demon God Salsa, Pan, Yamcha, Dark King Machikabura, the Crew. I like to call these guys the Crew. Reaper's Cunning, Whis, Demon God Shroom, and Come on, Goku, bring me some of that fire. Bring me some of that fire. Ah, I saw something shiny. Beerus, Yamcha, Vegeta, Tora, Cell, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Common Foil, and I'm not disappointed. I am disappointed. Beerus, Shenron, South Kai, Fasha, Son Goku, Bardock, Dragon Balls, the Crew, Saiyan's Willpower, North Kai here to cheer. North Kai, what are you cheering for there? If there's nothing there, what are you cheering for? Different. Box number 6, guys. Box number 6 this is. Bardock, Bakuan, Krillin, Broly, Begrudging Allies, Shenron, Cell, Super Saiyan 4, Son Goku preparing to brawl, and a nice SR. Sorry guys, I am trying to fly through these packs just to keep the video short. We know what we're looking for. We just want to get to it. Just want to get to it. Son Gohan, Aquan, Nijiren, Super Saiyan 4, Goku, Aquan again, Shenron, Piccolo. Here we go. Piccolo facing new foes, and nothing. Nothing. Again, saving the juice to the bottom of the pack. Must be saving the juice to the bottom of the pack. Still no SPR on this one. So normally we should have roughly 1 to 2, at least 2 SPRs per box. No SPR yet. Vegeta, Thunder Flash. Maybe the SPR has been replaced by the God Rare. Please. Piccolo, Piano, Dark King Machikabura. We get there, we get there. One of the Z Legends making me sweat. Making me sweat, one of the Z Legends. What are you doing to me? Here we go. Piccolo, Vegeta, Chi-Chi, just Bardock, Vegeta, Isekai, minus energy, Piccolo, Bulma, Demon is Born, Gone But Not Forgotten, common foil, they're literally saving all the hits for this one, for the bottom of the box. We've got 12 left, guys. They're literally saving it for the bottom of the box. Almost went into my habit of opening it different again. Let me just chop the top of this God Rare. Slice that bad boy open so I can sell at least half the card. King Piccolo, Demon God Salsa, Yamcha, Dark Broly, Pan, Reaper, Cell, Borgos, minus energy Powerball, Cell Awakening of the Created. And would you guess what's right at the back? Would you guess it? If you could guess it, what would you guess? Ah, I see something back there. South Kai, Chi-Chi, Bardock, Pan, Goten, let's do it, Master Roshi, Vegeta, Shenron, Chaozu, you gonna do me like that? Chaozu, you gonna do me like that? Guys, I've not been very lucky with any of my pulls. Not even just this set, just any set. I think I've opened so many sets. I've done like 3 boxes of Machinations, 4 boxes of Saiyan Showdown, 4 boxes of Realm of the Gods. What else have we done? We've done loads of Vicious Rejuvenation, and we've only ever found 1 SCR. That's crazy, right? It's crazy. It's literally everything is going to be at the bottom of the box. That's how they've done it. That's how they've done it. Maybe that's how Bandai wanted to do the God Rares, put them right at the box. Listen, give me no SPRs, even stop giving me SRs, and just at the bottom give me that God Rare. Frieza, Chaozu, King Vegeta, Piccolo, the Crew, Angel Halo, Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta, Rare. They really are cutting this one fine. Is it really going to be at the bottom of the box? 8 packs left. It might just be right at the bottom. Maybe this is just making it more exciting. Just keep giving me regular res until we get right to the bottom, and then do it. Oh no! I saw something. Piccolo Jr. This is for Son Goku. I think the way I'm opening these packs with the scissors is just allowing me to see it. I think I need to probably just turn it around when I do it. Or did I just see? Woo! Super Saiyan Son Goku, another World Blitz. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place with how I'm holding this and the camera. Forgive me. That is a nice card. That is a nice card. That's the first SPR from this box. I think they've saved everything to the bottom. I'm kind of a little bit disappointed because I wanted it to be nothing until we got right to the bottom and then just hit me with that God Rare. Okay guys, what I'll do is, as I cut them, I'll take them out this way because I think I just end up seeing... Oh, I've made a mess of this one. I just end up seeing what's inside the pack. Drum, Bulma, Vegeta, Krillin, Supreme Kai of Time, Shannon, Whis, Bulma. Ooh, another SPR, Pan, Inherited Bloodline. So that second one we got now, yeah, we pulled this on the last booster box. Here we go, don't die on me now. Just because you gave me up 2 SPRs. Don't die on me now. Don't die on me now. Drum, King Vegeta, Super Saiyan Goku, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Vegeta, Piccolo, Master Roshi, Piano, Genius's Craft, Beerus the Visitor. Here we go. Five packs, guys. We are down to 5 packs. North Kai, Son Gohan, Fasha, West Kai, Hei's Shenron, Super Saiyan Blue, Shenron, Bardock. Here we go. Good old, normal, regular wear. Jackson, Dark King, Magical Ball, Great Ape, Fasha, Whis, Bulma, Dragon Balls, Symbol, Vegeta, Another World Warrior, Common, and then a Paku, Another World Champ. That's a nice card, nice SR. That's not the first SR we've pulled this pack, is it? No, we've pulled some few here. Rare. There's one SR. Another SR. Another SR. And another SR. Okay. Double SR there. Okay, so guys, here we go. Here we go. Down to 3 packs. These 3 packs. Z Legends, hard work. One of the Z Legends, hard work. Just to grab an SCR. It's this difficult. Is my luck this bad? Son Goku, South Kai, Krillin, Demon God Beauty, Hei's Shenron, Gone But Not Forgotten, Shenron, Piccolo, Son Goku skills improved. Piccolo Jr., Son Goku, Great Ape Fasha, Demon is Born, Goten, Genius's Craft, Son Goku, Angel, Halo, regular rare. Is that it? Are we just going to end on our 2 SPRs that are right at the bottom of the box? Is this the end, or is this a last pack magic? I've also actually, on all of the videos that I've done, or any boxes I've pulled, I've never had this last pack magic. I've never had it. Here we go. Chaozu, Vegeta, Shugish, Supreme Kai of Time, Super Saiyan Son Goten, Begrudging Allies, Son Goku, Bardock, Torah. Here we go. And then the SR, the one that we've got lots of. So guys, here we go. That's our SR. All of our SRs and R pulls. And that one there as well. And then we've got one SPR which we've not had before, and one that we've already had as well. So those two are nice cards. But still guys, still no SCR, still no God Rare. We're still hunting. Make sure you catch us on the next one where we carry on. We've got 2 more boxes left. After those 2 more boxes, I don't know what we're going to do, but we've got 2 more boxes left. If we don't pull the SCR or God Rare in one of those 2, I don't know. But here we go guys. Catch us on the next one. Thank you for watching, and maybe we'll get it on the next one. Shobot.